The number of recent officer-involved shootings begs the question tonight, when is law enforcement trained to shoot and not to shoot? K2's Emily Sinovic is live in Northeast Portland now to show us how one veteran officer, a retired police chief, looks at this as more than just one decision to shoot. How is that, Emily?
Well, there's the decision to shoot, and there's everything leading up to that decision. That's what we looked at today. Did Officer Wilson, did he force the situation where he had to shoot?
What can we do to de-escalate a situation?
33 years of police experience, now teaching courses in criminal justice. Retired Hillsborough Police Chief Ron Louie explained to his students what he walked me through, why he doesn't question the officer's decision to shoot.
That's what the officer said. He was struggling with his weapon. That becomes that pivotal point where deadly force would be authorized because I am now fearing for my life.
What he questions is whether the officer forced that decision to use deadly force.
Did the officer, from a tactical point of view, put himself in an unreasonable, dangerous situation? In my opinion, it wasn't reasonable. In my opinion, if I know I have two strong-armed suspects...
Approaching Michael Brown in his vehicle, would you train your officers to do that?
No. I would train our officers if we think we're approaching two robbery suspects, strong-arm robbery, meaning force or fear, not necessarily a weapon, and there's two of them. I believe most training officers say you shouldn't approach them until your backup comes.
Shouldn't do what that officer did.
Because you put yourself at a disadvantage. When you put yourself at a disadvantage, it could sadly be what you just saw.
What we saw in Ferguson, Louis says, will be something we talk about in our classrooms forever. And right now, there is a federal investigation ongoing. Reporting live, Emily Sinovic, K2 News.
Emily, thank you, and stay with K2 News for continuing coverage of the decision in Ferguson. We'll also post updates on our website, ka2.com, and on Twitter, follow the hashtag #LiveOnK2.